New this morning, we're learning new details about what happened leading up to the murder of Jessica Brandon on July 31st.
That's right. A newly released affidavit describes what led up to her murder and how those suspects were found. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Brianna Campbell's been combing through documents. She joins us with our top story. And Bri, what have you uncovered this morning?
Nicole and Owen, I have that affidavit right here, and those suspects are in custody. One of them describing the events of that night, that a robbery, quote, went south. When police arrived at the home Jessica Brandon shared with her boyfriend Michael Robertson, he led them to where Brandon lay unresponsive at the bottom of the basement stairs, bleeding from a gunshot wound in her shoulder. Bullet holes and shell casings littered the staircase leading down to that basement. 4 girls, all under the age of 16, and one 61-year-old woman were also home at the time of the shooting, some of whom were bound with zip ties and duct tape by those suspects you see there. Security footage and informants led to the arrest of Dante Williams, his brother Damon Williams, and Twain Patterson. Dante Williams told an informant that there was supposed to be $250,000 in a safe in the home, and the robbery went south when the three encountered all of the people that were home that night. Now, according to the affidavit, police have agreed to pay informants $1,000 for tips that they gave investigators. Dante Williams is being held at the Lancaster County Jail on $2 million bond. Now, Twain Patterson and Damon Williams remain in the Bell County Jail in Texas, where they were arrested. Once a judge has approved their extradition, they will be brought back to Lincoln to begin those court proceedings. Now, police are still searching for a 4th suspect in an attempted robbery on Brandon's home the night before she was murdered, also caught on surveillance video outside the home.
And Bri, Jessica's boyfriend, Michael Robertson, was also arrested for drug charges. What's his status right now?
Yes, so on that same surveillance video, police saw him hiding marijuana, THC edibles, and $85,000 in drug money. And he's right now out on bond and cooperating with investigators through his attorney.
But again, police believe that those 3 men entered that home trying to get those drugs and money, correct?
Yes, they believe that's what they were in search of, and that's what led to Jessica's murder.
All right, Bri, thank you for the update this morning.